Welcome Dad in kitchen. See rasam. Nice. Ah. Welcome Dad in kitchen. Today I am cooking rasam. Rasam Telangana dish rasam Chintapandu rasam. Tamarind rasam. Kadai heat pour oil. For rasam, little small oil enough. Now we'll add some green chilli. Cut 2 pieces and add it. It made fat fat fat. Be careful you add. After that, add tomato pieces. Mix well. Let to cook 5 minutes. Tomato, small mint. Green chilli flavor super coming. Mix nice well. Now add turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder. I have full stock dhania powder. Nice cook. Mix well. Nice cook. Super flavor. Now add karepaku, curry leaves. Good flavor. Cook well nice. Tomato juice come out till cook. Full tomato juice come out. This cook meanwhile will make tamarind juice. Nice. Some down burning, add some water, some little bit water. So no burning. Tomato cooking. Add some tamarind water. See, nice cook. Now we'll add red chilli powder. I have full stock red chilli powder. So add as like your taste. Some salt also add like your taste. Nice. Now mix well. Tomato all cook. Now add this turmeric water. Add full nice add. My hand down burning. Like this add. Nice. See, like this add. Nice. Like this press. Nice. Now let to boil. We'll add some water. Add some another water. Now let to cook boil. Nice boiled. Nice flavor coming. All tomato, green chili, curry pak, all masalas, spicy masalas, all well cooked. Now we do take out. We will do small stove. We will take out this. See here. Like this. All take this. Nice. And with spoon you do all this. Full flavor come out. Go down in this rasam. Like this. See, super. Super. All this finish. All this wastage. Now we'll give tadka. Nice tadka. Nice tadka we'll give. For tadka we'll add oil. Make slow stove. For tadka take some oil. Little bit oil. Oil heat. This is rye. I have full stock rye. Add it. Nice rye flavor. Then add some curry leaf. Curry pak for tadka. Nice smell, sound. Then add round red chili, dry red chili and lasan, garlic. Yes, mix well. Let all this chili, garlic cook. Wow. See, let cook. We'll add some hing. Some little bit hing. Some little bit hing. Nice hing flavor. Full nice cooked. All dry chili cooked well. Nice flavor coming. Yes. Cut up. We'll add this. We'll add this rasam in. Again this. Wow. Super rasam tadka. Rasam nice boiling. Super. We'll off the stove. We'll off this stove. We'll again shift this here. Wow. Super rasam. Nice Dad in Kitchen channel rasam. Do like, subscribe. You also cook and eat. Bye bye.